Have you ever wondered about nuclear safety? What does it mean and why should it matter to you? In our rapidly advancing world, nuclear safety has become a topic of paramount importance. It's not just about the safe operation of nuclear facilities, but also about the cautious handling and transport of nuclear materials. It's about being prepared for emergencies and knowing how to respond. So nuclear safety isn't just about handling radioactive materials safely, it's about being ready and prepared for any potential incidents. What happens when things go wrong? What are the risks and consequences of a nuclear incident? Let's delve into this. Nuclear accidents can spring from a variety of factors. Sometimes it's human error, a simple mistake that spirals out of control. Other times, it's equipment malfunction, where the tools we rely on let us down. Or it could be natural disasters, forces of nature that we can't predict or control. The aftermath of these incidents can be severe. Immediate risks include radiation exposure, which can lead to sickness or even death. The environment doesn't escape unscathed either, with potential for widespread contamination. And let's not forget the long-term health effects, which can linger for generations. These are sobering thoughts, but it's important to face them head-on. By understanding these risks and consequences, we take the first step towards effective preparation and response. It's a challenging journey, but a necessary one if we are to ensure a safer future for all. Now that we understand the risks, how do we prevent nuclear incidents? And if they do occur, how do we prepare? Key to minimizing the impact of a nuclear incident is preparedness. This involves a comprehensive approach, including emergency planning, training, and raising public awareness. Preventative measures play a crucial role in reducing the likelihood of a nuclear incident. These include stringent safety protocols, regulations, and international cooperation. Each measure forms a vital part of the safety net that protects us all from the potential dangers of nuclear energy. But who's responsible for maintaining this safety net? It's a collective effort spearheaded by governments, regulatory bodies, and industry stakeholders. Through their combined efforts, we have the tools and strategies needed to ensure the safe operation of nuclear facilities and the secure handling and transport of nuclear materials. Prevention and preparedness are the two pillars of nuclear safety. They require collective efforts and diligence. In the face of a nuclear emergency, how should you respond? Seek shelter swiftly, prepare to evacuate if directed, and take protective actions to minimize radiation exposure. Community resilience and cooperation are invaluable. Remember, in a nuclear emergency, stay informed, follow official guidance, and cooperate with your community. Nuclear safety is a complex but essential topic. We've delved into understanding the risks, the importance of preparedness, and the power of cooperation. By understanding the risks, being prepared, and working together, we can mitigate the potential consequences of nuclear incidents and ensure a safer future for all.